This is a tutorial for how to add a Google assignment into Canvas. The first thing you want to do from your home screen is click on Assignments, then click Add Assignment. From here, you want to add a title. I'm just going to title mine SAB Test. You can put in any information for students, and then you'll want to set your categories as you normally do. The key point here is to go to Submission Type. Once you get to Submission Type, you want to make sure that you select External Tool. This will pop up here. Once it does, you'll click Find. This new box pops up and you'll want to scroll down until you find Google Assignments. When you click on that, this will come up to link your resource from your external tool. Just click Continue. From here, you are creating your Google assignment, so you may or may not want to click on the Check Plagiarism and Originality. From here, you'll want to attach your file that students will receive. So I'm going to click the Attach, and it takes me to my drive. Here's the template that I want students to use for their essay, so I click on that. This will then make a copy for each student. When you scroll down a little bit here, you can already see that Canvas Speed Grader is selected. From there, you will click Create. This box remains here. Just hit Select again. You can scroll down and select your other parameters and due date, and then click Save. You can then see the different elements that you've selected here. You could check or uncheck this option, and ultimately then you could publish this to your course. That's it for Google Assignments.